we've come to this beautiful place in Ankola. Our bikes lined up. We reached here last evening. We had a rainy ride up to this place. You can see our beautiful bikes here lined up. It's still raining and we are by the beach. Let me just give you a quick glimpse of what we can actually see. Yeah, this place called Red Earth. You can just Google it. It's by the Honey Beach in Ankola. It's a private property and you've got this beach all to yourself. Oh yeah, it's a task getting down as I'm wearing slippers. Yeah, just have a look. Just have a beautiful look of this place. This is bliss. It's paradise on earth, I would say. Here you go. Yeah. Whew. I don't want to go down and risk it right now. You can just see the blissful view. It's raining cats and dogs here right now ever since we've reached this place, but you know, this wouldn't stop me from exploring it. This is a wonderful view that everyone needs to witness at least once in their lifetime. To serve the purpose of your existence. And to warn you, this property has no cellular network. You just need to survive on Wi-Fi. That's also on and off due to the rain and other weather conditions around this area. But just have a look. So that's the reception. My buddies are chilling there, making best use of the Wi-Fi, because you know, you need to communicate to the world on the other side to prove that you're still alive. If you know what I mean. Yeah. See, our bikes chilling, enjoying the view more than we can. Yeah, take a glimpse. ಬೇಡ ಮಗ, ಇದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಛತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. So this is my partner in crime, Sandesh Upadhyaya.
Hello.
So I'm staying with him and he's just got a new GoPro 9 that I'm going to help him set up on his helmet. He's going to join me with capturing the rides. We do ride together more often, but nevertheless it's good to have two cameras on the same ride rather than one. So we're just getting down. We're going to the reception where all our other buddies are, you know, busy socializing on social network. Yes. So here is the group. This is Deepak Raj. He was riding the GS 1250.
What is the GS 1250?
1250, sorry.
It's a 1250
Mr. Devesh, you would have seen in many of my vlogs. So this is Devesh.
थोड़ा मूंछ पे
He's riding the GS.
टाइम तो देना मांगता है यार.
करो अभी करो, capture कर दो. This is a new buddy, Mr. Nagbhushan, riding the 90. R90. Sorry, I'm not that great with the names. Yeah. So you see, energetic young man. Full barbeku. Full. ये YouTube पर लोग आता है. Full है. ಫುಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಮಗ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇ.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
So ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Spa, check in, check out.
If you ever do want to come.
No outside food allowed. Main gates are always locked. Contact only on WhatsApp. What the heck is that supposed to mean?
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. I'll stay in his room. You're coming, right? So that's Manish, who has a potential back pain, and he seems to be missing from our gatherings most of the time. Hey Manish, I was just telling them that you have a potential back pain.
And then
So he rides the streets and 50. Yes, we rode around 550 kilometers in heavy rain yesterday and dense fog. Nearly zero visibility. Now we're heading back to our room just to chill for some time, in the sense wash and change, and we'll gather for lunch.
pain nahi hai.
Haan, so
Sitting, then weight will go back when you sit. So don't sit in a relaxed position. I mean straight and
sleep.
don't sit
Sitting in a relaxed position is
chair
sleeping.
Also, where we are sitting
Oh.
inside, na, that chair also, if you see, is low.
Yes, sir.
चलो इधर बैठ के जाओ कुछ प्लान है.
So this is how a rider's room looks like, as you can see. Riding shoes, slippers, saddlebags, I mean your bags that get into your panniers, and all your riding wear hanging all around the place. This is how it is. See, this is how it is. So guys, after a wonderful stay, we've started our journey heading back to Bangalore via Shivamogga. We will see, if possible, we will visit Joke Falls on the way. And it's on top. So we just started a GoPro. Yes. So here we embark on our mission back to Bengaluru. not more. That's the viewpoint. We go, come back. I'll pass here. Come here also this place. Come. Enough, we'll take together enough. Just reached Joke Falls. We're gonna spend a couple of minutes here and then head towards Shivamogga for our much needed lunch break. So guys, we are at Joke Falls. It's a top viewpoint. The crew has reached here and we're just enjoying the view. It's just started pouring again, so it's going to be a challenge.
Mostly ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅದೇ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ
So this is the beautiful, breathtaking view that you can get from the viewpoint. We'll be saddling up and heading back now because it's already started raining and we don't want to risk it on the way back.